wind is crying on the mountains and the night is turning blue. But I keep moving through the silence, 'cause my heart is tied to you. Every step is getting colder, but I'm stronger than the pain. With your name inside my chest, I can face the freezing rain. I will walk through a snowstorm if it meant that I will find you. I would brave the coldest winter just to hold your hand anew. No matter how the world may freeze me, no matter what I'm going through, I will walk through a snowstorm if it meant that I will find you. Secrets, but I know you're out there still, like a lantern in the distance, calling softly through the chill. I won't stop, I won't falter. Love is guiding every stride. Even if the storm grows wilder, I'll keep walking towards your light. I will walk through a snowstorm if it meant that I will find you. I would brave the coldest winter just to hold your hand anew. No matter how the world may freeze me, no matter what I'm going through, I will walk through a snowstorm if it meant that I will find you. Every heartbeat is a compass, every breath a silent vow. If the world turns white around me, I won't stop searching for you